Okay, during the festival I've got a few things for safety. First thing is this pot belly. That will be correctly flued. So here you can see I've got an actual chimney and a correct flue. So that means that it's of the safety of any sort of heating device that's in a normal home. We here not pictured, but the front up to here would be covered in a fine mesh, steel wire mesh. Basically, it'll be over and above a pool safety fence, so that's preventing children from getting in and touching that hot belly. So we'll have an actual gate there, and we'll have a door on it to pool standard safety specs. Now in theory the adults can open the door and go in there and actually get close to the pot belly, but that would be obviously in context to what's around children and things like that. The other thing is the ash will need to be transported by carts rather than carried, because the people emptying the ash will have to go through all these curtains and stuff, and they won't actually be able to see anyone coming. So there's a possibility they'll bump into them. So the ash has to need to be behind them, so they don't actually bump into someone and spill ash all over the place. And here we actually have a fenced off area where the ash is being dumped. Ash is actually quite dangerous as far as looking safe, and really hot and for burns and stuff. The actual fire safety of the structure itself is to have as minimal fuel as possible inside. So the carpet will be Australian standard, obviously, fire retardant, as in with the mattresses. So there's actually not a lot that can actually burn or catch fire. What I'd like to do is one of the rear diamonds will actually be not fixed, so it'll be allowed to actually push open. So if there's a fire emergency, the back door behind the altar should just be pushed open as a secondary. We'd place some fire extinguishers in there. The other safety thing is climbing. So inside we have this will be covered in the steel mesh. There's no way that anyone can climb up this central tower. So internally there's unable to be climbed. These ropes start at 3 meters up, so they can't be climbed up either. Now on the outside we have 45-degree angles. So this is a climbing risk. Someone could run up and climb a 45 angle, so I'm looking for solutions to reduce that. One thing I thought of is literally to grease it, do a layer of grease, so if they try to climb it's just slippery and yucky.